Hello everybody. Today in standard 6th we are going to learn lesson number 6, who I am. In that we'll discover to learn about our likes and what we like to do. So let us read before the text. Before you read, in this lesson we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you like, what you are like, and what you enjoy doing. So, generally, from this paragraph, we can come to know that this lesson is about to find out what things we like and what activities we like to do or we enjoy doing. So, let us find out what is there in the lesson. Lesson number 6, Who I Am, Part 1, Many Voices. Many voices refers to the experience and likes and what other children enjoy doing that we'll discover. So, first of all, it is about a girl named Radha. You can see in the picture the pic is about Radha, and in that what she says, let us discover. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I'm high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So this was the things liked by Radha. What she says that her favorite activity is to climbing up the tree. Outside her house there is a mango tree. It is very huge. It has many branches and thus she can climb the tree very easily. She sat always in the fork of the branches. दो जो डालियाँ होती है उसके बीच में कंफर्टेबली वो वहाँ पे बैठ सकती है. And she says that her mother advised her many times that it is not safe for the girls to climb trees, but one afternoon her mother also climbed up the tree and they both enjoyed talking there on the top of the tree and they both ate raw mangoes. At last she says that whenever she is on the tree, she feels like she can rule the whole world. So climbing trees is the favorite activity of Radha. Now let us see one another boy. Here. Now the second experience or voice, it is of Nasir. You can see in the picture that he is collecting something. So let us find out what activities he likes to do. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Seed collector means a person who collects different kinds of seeds. Seeds यानी छोटे जो बीज होते हैं जिसमें से plants और trees grow होते हैं वो. We have cotton fields in our village and where every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be shown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. Here what Nasir says that he likes to collect seeds. He wanted to find out a solution or a way for her father, as they were having fields in their village and they used to take up the cotton crops agriculture. In that, his father has to buy new seeds every year, but earlier his grandfather had informed that before many years there was no need to find or to buy seeds, because from the crops only they will get the seeds and they can show to grown a good amount of cotton next year. But today that new but today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I wanted to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So he wanted to find out solution for his father, that how he can preserve seeds for longer period of time, so that his father doesn't have to buy those seeds every single year. So it was about Nasir. Now let us see about Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to the sea coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark Temple of Orissa and the old city of Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. Now, what Rohit liked, let us find out. He says that if he had a huge amount of money, he would love to travel many places of the world. He would explore many things from there. He says that he liked traveling and he would love to go different places. He wanted to visit mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in the magazine picture. He also wanted to go to Amazon River in South America on a raft. Raft is a small boat made up of the logs of trees. He would love to go to the beaches of Lakshadweep, and he also wanted to visit Konark Temple in Orissa, old city Beijing in China, and he wanted to visit pyramids of Egypt. At last he says that what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than the old buildings. Means he enjoy exploring the nature, mountains, oceans, forest, these kind of things, instead of visiting the old monuments which he doesn't find very exciting. So this was the experience about Rohit. Now let us see about Sarabjit. Sarabjit, what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think that I am telling lies. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes, count up to 10 so that I do not show that I am very angry. Now here about Sarabjit. He shares with us that many times whenever he is telling the truth, his teachers, parents, friends, they do not believe and they think that Sarabjit is telling lies. At that time, Sarabjit becomes very angry, but he has also given us the way how to conquer our anger. He shares with us that वो कहना चाहता है कि जब मैं टीचर से कहता हूँ कि मैंने होमवर्क नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरा फ्रेंड मेरी बुक ले गया था और वापस मुझे नहीं दी थी, जब मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स को कहता हूँ कि फ़ाइट मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं की थी पर मेरे छोटे भाई ने स्टार्ट की थी, या जब वो टीचर से कहता है कि मैंने बहुत मेहनत की थी टेस्ट के लिए पर फिर भी मेरे अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए, तो उस टाइम पे उनके टीचर्स, उनके पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि सरबजीत झूठ बोल रहा है और उस टाइम पे वो काफ़ी गुस्सा भी होता है। तो यहाँ पे एक चीज़ हम सीख सकते हैं कि मैनी टाइम्स इट विल हैपन, कई बार हम सच होते हैं या हम सच बोलते हैं पर लोग हमारा विश्वास नहीं करते। तो उस टाइम पे हमें यही सोचना है कि कई बार हम गलती करते हैं पर हमें पनिशमेंट नहीं मिलती, तो उसकी पनिशमेंट इस टाइम पे आई है। या फिर हम ये भी सोच सकते हैं कि शायद हमारी ही कोई गलती होगी या हमारे ही कोई ऐसे फास्ट एक्सपीरियंस के कारण ही हमारे एल्डर्स हमारे ऊपर उतना ट्रस्ट नहीं करते, जिनमें उनकी भी गलती नहीं है। ये सोच के ही हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। सो दिस वाज द एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट सरबजीत। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ अ गर्ल नेम्ड डोल्मा. What she says, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem. And my teachers always trust me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures and for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. A very interesting experience shared by Dolma. What she shares with us, that she shares about the goals or dreams of her future. She tells us that she wants to become a Prime Minister of India when she'll grow up. Whenever she shares this dream, everyone starts laughing among her friends. But she is sure that whenever in my class also, whenever there is something to be done, my teacher always trusts me. And she also has a vision for India that we should have good schools, good roads, good hospitals, which are the major need for any country. अगर हॉस्पिटल्स अच्छे होंगे तो कोई काफ़ी तकलीफ़ में नहीं रहेगा, कोई भी डिसीज़ हो तो उससे अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट से क्योर हो सकता है। अगर अच्छे रोड्स होंगे तो ट्रैवलिंग अच्छा हो सकता है, सामान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे इजीली पहुंचाया जा सकता है। अच्छे स्कूल्स होंगे तो स्टूडेंट भी अच्छे से लर्न करके एक अच्छे सिटीज़न बनेंगे अपनी कंट्री के। सो व्हाट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दिस एक्सपीरियंस, दैट वी शुड हैव अ गुड हाई ड्रीम। अगर हमारे पास एक अच्छा ड्रीम होगा फ्यूचर के लिए तो वो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल बनेगा हमारे लिए, क्योंकि टू हैव अ हाई ड्रीम और हाई गोल इट इज़ मस्ट। वो कहता है ना कि सोच बड़ी होनी चाहिए। अगर सोच बड़ी है तो ही हम लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हैं। शायद डोल्मा प्राइम मिनिस्टर ना भी बन पाए पर एक अच्छी जॉब या अच्छा बिजनेस तो डेफिनेटली कर पाएगी, क्योंकि उसकी सोच बड़ी है। अगर हमारी सोच ही छोटी होगी तो हम उतने सक्सेसफुल नहीं भी हो पाएंगे। एंड इट इज़ ओके इफ़ somebody laugh at you if you share something, क्योंकि उनकी हंसी से हमें कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। हमारी थिंकिंग काफ़ी क्लियर होनी चाहिए और सिर्फ थिंकिंग से ही काम नहीं चलता, उसके लिए जी जान से एफर्ट्स भी लगाने चाहिए ताकि हम सक्सेसफुल हो पाए. Now the last one is Peter. My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always go to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the ticket in advance, and all of us, my grandparents, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. Now, at last, the experience of Peter. What Peter likes? Peter likes to stay close to his family, and he enjoys second Sunday of every month because on that day her father takes the whole family to the cinema hall where they can enjoy film and they can eat ice cream, peanuts, everything. And due to that, the bonding between the family members become very strong. They respect each other, they love each other, and that's why it is important for all the families to spend some time together. So that's what Peter likes, and I hope ये 6 जो एक्सपीरियंस हमने लर्न किए पढ़े उनमें से आप अपने भी लाइक्स और अपनी भी पसंदीदा एक्टिविटी आपने भी सोची होगी. यू कैन शेयर विथ योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स और विथ मी इन कॉमेंट्स ऑल्सो so that it will be very helpful for you to express whatever you like. So this was lesson number 6 part 1. I hope you must have enjoyed learning this lesson. So thank you very much for joining and keep supporting. Thank you.